DeepSeek has just unveiled its latest and most advanced AI model yet, Janus Pro, and it's already sending shockwaves through the tech industry. As a multimodal AI, Janus Pro has the capability to process both text and images, making it one of the most versatile models available today. This marks a significant evolution from previous models, and it poses a direct challenge to some of the biggest names in AI, including OpenAI and Google. But what makes Janus Pro so special, and why are tech giants paying attention? Janus Pro represents a major step forward in artificial intelligence, leveraging DeepSeek's expertise in efficient model training and cost-effective deployment. Unlike many existing models that rely on massive computational resources, DeepSeek has managed to create a model that is both powerful and highly optimized. This allows it to compete with industry leaders at a fraction of the development cost. Many are now wondering if this approach will change the way AI is built and deployed in the future. One of the key aspects of Janus Pro is its enhanced multimodal abilities. This means it can generate and interpret images while also understanding and producing human-like text. In benchmark tests, Janus Pro has shown the ability to generate high-quality images from text prompts, rivaling some of the most well-known text-to-image models in the industry. Early comparisons suggest it may even outperform OpenAI's DALL-E 3 in certain areas. This has major implications for industries that rely on AI for creative content generation, marketing, and digital design. Beyond its image capabilities, Janus Pro also excels at advanced reasoning and problem-solving. DeepSeek has focused on making this model one of the most logical and mathematically sound AI systems to date. This means that it can be used in applications where precision is critical, such as coding, data analysis, and complex problem-solving. With many industries moving toward AI-driven automation, having a model like Janus Pro that can handle both creative and technical tasks efficiently makes it an incredibly valuable tool. One of the most striking elements of Janus Pro's success is how it was developed. DeepSeek has consistently focused on optimizing AI models to use fewer computational resources while maintaining high performance. This not only makes Janus Pro more accessible to businesses and developers, but also challenges the business model of companies like OpenAI and Google, which rely on high-cost infrastructure to power their AI models. If DeepSeek can continue producing highly efficient models, it may force the entire AI industry to rethink how these systems are developed and deployed. The release of Janus Pro is already causing ripples across the tech sector. Companies that have invested billions into AI research are now looking at DeepSeek's approach with both curiosity and concern. If an organization can produce a model that competes with the best in the industry without requiring the same massive budget, it raises questions about whether the current way of training AI is truly the most effective. This has led to speculation that DeepSeek's approach could eventually disrupt the AI landscape in ways few had anticipated. DeepSeek has made it clear that it intends to push the boundaries of what is possible in AI development. With Janus Pro, they are not just introducing another language model, they are redefining expectations for how AI can function in the real world. While OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft have led the way in AI development, DeepSeek is proving that innovation does not always have to come from the biggest players in the industry. One of the more controversial aspects of Janus Pro's rise is the question of AI governance and data policies. DeepSeek operates under different regulatory frameworks than its Western counterparts, leading to speculation about how data privacy and ethical considerations will play into the model's adoption. Many in the tech community are closely watching to see whether concerns about censorship or data security will impact the global reception of Janus Pro. Despite these concerns, the potential applications of Janus Pro are vast. Its ability to handle text and images simultaneously makes it ideal for industries that rely on automation and digital transformation. Businesses in marketing, e-commerce, education, and entertainment are all looking at Janus Pro as a potential game-changer. Content creators, in particular, are excited about its ability to generate high-quality visual and written content in a matter of seconds. As DeepSeek continues to refine its models, it is expected that future iterations will push the capabilities of Janus Pro even further. There is already speculation about how this model could be integrated into various real-world applications, from virtual assistants to autonomous systems. The competition between DeepSeek and more established AI leaders will likely intensify as more organizations begin to explore how they can implement these technologies into their workflows. With the speed at which AI is evolving, it is clear that we are entering a new phase where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are just as important as raw computational power. The success of Janus Pro proves that smaller companies can still make a significant impact in a field dominated by tech giants. As a result, we may start to see more AI startups emerge with the goal of disrupting the market in a similar fashion. The release of Janus Pro is just the beginning of what could be a major shift in the AI industry. If DeepSeek continues on its current trajectory, we may see a new wave of competition that forces companies like OpenAI and Google to rethink their strategies. This could lead to more innovation, better efficiency, and ultimately more powerful AI tools available to businesses and individuals alike. AI is evolving at an astonishing pace, and the rise of models like Janus Pro only accelerates that growth. Whether DeepSeek becomes a dominant force in the industry remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: AI development will never be the same again. The question now is how existing tech giants will respond to this new challenge, and what the next breakthroughs in artificial intelligence will look like. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest developments in AI, be sure to like this video and share it with others who are interested in cutting-edge technology. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analysis and discussions on the future of artificial intelligence. Let us know in the comments what you think about Janus Pro. Do you believe DeepSeek has what it takes to compete with OpenAI? Or will the big tech companies continue to dominate the AI space? Let's discuss it below.